Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2021 Hyundai Sonata Sport. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.6 liter engine, has front wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get that lovely exhaust, backup camera, a nice little spoiler looking thing, some nice silver rims. We got silver accents along this vehicle. You can press this button for a keyless entry and allow you to get in while you have your remote, so you just leave it in your pocket and you can press it. Blind spot detection with turn light indicator mirrors. You got this nice silver accent that goes along the hood of the vehicle, which has a nice clean look. Got the nice Hyundai logo and that nice Hyundai grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see here we do have plenty of cargo space, which is pretty handy. You can collapse your last row by just pulling these down, and they will go down automatically for you, and you do get your normal storage underneath with a spare tire. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray leather red accent with gray cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back. Got those windows. We got floor mats, carpet interior with a USB. And of course, you can fold the middle seat down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather and cloth interior we saw in the back there. We got a manual passenger seat, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks. You got your trunk, traction, parking brake, lane centering, brightness of your lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 130,022 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, also heated. You got your steering wheel right there, lane centering, all that jazz, cruise control, paddle shifters with voice mode, volume, playback, lead forward, phone, all that jazz. And we can use these buttons to go for your screen, fuel economy, lane centering, all that jazz. User, it'll give you a warning, so we have low tire pressure, all that jazz. You do get a little digital speedometer if you scroll through a couple of those. And here you got your drive modes. So for our drive modes, we do get sport, normal, smart, custom, and you do get little graphics on your main screen here, which is pretty cool. Some storage here, nice little phone slot with cup holders. You got storage below as well. Nice looking gear select, just little buttons, as well as storage here, 12 volt USB, another USB, and dual climate up front with heated front seats. And you got your media controls there, storage below, and above me we do get our features for our little twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, you do get your audio, which has Apple CarPlay. Got your menus here, Blue Link, Android Auto, user manual. You got your climate controls up here as well. Very nice. You can sync it as well here. Phone, media, setup, all that jazz. And shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8244, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.